Homophone means being the same or like.
Homo is a Latin word that means man, or human. When it is used as a prefix, as in homophone, it comes from the Greek word homos, means being the same or like, while the suffix phone comes from the Greek word for sound.
Homophone.
A word that is pronounced the same as another word but has a different meaning or spelling, or both. The words so and so are homophones.
In linguistics, homophones are words with different meanings which are pronounced in the same way but are spelled differently. For example, ripe and right are homophones.
Hangar. A very large building in which aircraft are kept.
There is only one hangar at Islamabad International Airport big enough to hold 3 planes. Hangar.
A curved piece of wire, wood, or plastic on which clothes are hung while they are being stored.
He took off his jacket and hung it on a hanger.
Use the correct answer into the box.
Role.
The character played by an actor in a play or film.
I will play the role of a young doctor in the film.
Roll.
A small round loaf of bread for one person.
Would you like a cup of tea with your roll?
Use the correct answer into the box.
Which?
A woman who is believed to have magical powers and who uses them to harm or help other people.
More naive women here believe in witches. Which?
Used to ask or talk about one or more members of a group of people or things, when you are uncertain about it or about them.
Which book are you looking for?
Use the correct answer into the box.
Wretch.
Number 1, someone that you feel sorry for.
Number 2, someone you are annoyed with.
He is a lonely, miserable wretch.
Wretch.
To react in a way as if you are vomiting.
The smell made her wretch.
Use the correct answer into the box.
Scene.
A view or picture of a place, event, or activity.
I photographed a wide range of street scenes.
Scene.
To notice or examine someone or something, using your eyes.
Didn't you ever see a girl?
Use the correct answer into the box.
So.
To cause a bad emotion or condition to begin somewhere so that it will grow or continue.
Now that you've sown doubts in my mind, I'll never be sure I can trust him.
So.
To use a needle and thread to make or repair clothes or to fasten something such as a button to them.
My grandmother taught me to sew. Use the correct answer into the box.
Right.
If you are right about something or someone, you are correct in your judgment or statement about it, him, or her.
You were right about him, he's a real troublemaker.
Right.
To produce a new book, article, poem, etc.
I can't come with you, I have an essay to write.
Use the correct answer into the box.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.